Few stories capture the complex bond between Pakistan and Afghanistan as vividly as the story of Afghanistan's cricket team. What began as a shared passion has over time become a reflection of gratitude forgotten, opportunity denied, and truth twisted. When Afghanistan was torn apart by war, Pakistan became more than a neighbor. It became a refuge. For over 40 years, Pakistan hosted millions of Afghans, giving them homes, education, and dignity. Among these refugees were boys who would one day wear Afghanistan's cricket colors with pride. But their journey, their success, began not in Kabul but in Peshawar, under Pakistan's care. Muhammad Nabi, the all-rounder and the former captain, learned cricket as a child in Peshawar after his family fled the Soviet-Afghan War. He played for Pakistani Customs, trained under Pakistani coaches, and credits those early days for shaping his career. Rashid Khan, now a global superstar, grew up in Peshawar with a Pakistani ID card, playing street and club cricket before debuting in the Pakistan Super League for Quetta Gladiators. His bowling flourished on Pakistani grounds long before Afghanistan even had an international stadium. Asghar Afghan, Gulbuddin Naib, Muhammad Shehzad, Kareem Sadiq, Hamid Hassan, Shapur Zadran, and Rameez Ahmed Zai, nearly every prominent Afghan cricketer learned, trained, or lived in Pakistan. Many came from refugee camps where Pakistani communities and local cricket academies nurtured their dreams. Pakistan provided them not only with the environment but the inspiration. They idolized Pakistani players, practiced on Pakistani soil, and played with Pakistani mentors. In truth, Afghanistan's cricket success is inseparable from Pakistan's generosity. Without Pakistan's open borders, cricket infrastructure, and cricket culture, there would likely be no Afghan professional team at all. The Pakistan Cricket Board allowed Afghan players to access the local leagues, training facilities, and coaching camps, long before the world noticed Afghanistan on the cricket map. And yet, this relationship tells a tragic tale. Despite Pakistan's role in their rise, many Afghan cricketers today publicly deny their origins or downplay Pakistan's contributions. Some have even gone further, spreading half-truths and fake stories, accusing Pakistan of hostility while ignoring the decades of support and sacrifice. This contradiction lies at the heart of Afghanistan's attitude towards Pakistan. A mix of closeness and resentment, affection and rivalry. It is what many call the cousin mentality. The rivalry of those too close to separate and too proud to acknowledge their debt. Pakistan's stability and global recognition often stir jealousy among Afghan circles, who see Pakistan as both a model and a rival. Pakistan's competitors understand this dynamic and exploit it. Foreign powers and regional actors eagerly whisper in Afghan ears, encouraging the mindset of the enemy of my enemy is my friend. They use Afghans' emotional wounds to turn it against Pakistan, keeping mistrust alive while benefiting from division. And so, even in cricket, a sport meant to unite, the bitterness lingers. Afghan players who owe their early careers to Pakistan sometimes resort to the anti-Pakistan rhetoric for cheap applause or social media validation. They forget that their success was born from Pakistani kindness, not enmity. The Afghanistan cricket team is more than a collection of athletes. It is a mirror of the relationship between the two nations. A relationship built on shared faith and blood, but strained by pride and betrayal. Pakistan offered Afghanistan its hand, in brotherhood, in refuge, and in opportunity. Yet, too often that hand has been bitten rather than held. The same soil that nurtured Afghan stars now faces their silence, or worse, their falsehoods. But as Hazrat Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu wisely said, beware of the betrayal of the one upon whom you have done a favor. Perhaps that saying was written for moments like this, when generosity meets ingratitude and friendship is repaid with hostility. Still, Pakistan's character remains patient. Its history recorded, because in the long run, truth always finds its way back. And when the dust settles, the world will remember. The roots of Afghan cricket and much of its pride grew in the warmth of Pakistan's kindness.